Okay, we're going to try this all again. Got oil in the impact wrench there, and got it all going back. And this, this is all off the solar, the inverters and all that. Let's see what happens. 3 more to go, I think. Well, that one doesn't want to break loose. Okay, well, got 3 broken loose and 3 still tight. I think that gonna have to wait a little bit longer for it to warm up a little bit more. But I don't know. I'll get them off, get that wheel off, and that's filled with antifreeze, I guess is what it is inside there. That 50-50 mix. So that wheel weighs about 500 pounds, 450, 500, or something like that, for extra weight in it. And yeah, so it's going to be a little bit.